Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you are new here, my name is Moli and welcome to another exciting video. And by interesting, I mean it's again a review day, honey. Welcome to another review. By seeing the title, you already know that today I will be reviewing this Earth Rhythm Salicylic Acid 2% Serum. Now, when I was trying out the Minimalist 2% Salicylic Acid Serum, that time I actually thought that salicylic acid is really working on my skin, because before that I never used any salicylic acid. So I was like, let's go ahead and dig around if there is any salicylic acid from an Indian brand out there in market or not. And that time I discovered that Earth Rhythm has a salicylic acid. So I was like, let's go ahead and purchase this. I want to say something about this product before going into the main video. So previously I have given a lot of Earth Rhythm product review, and on that videos you always have commented that purchase this thing from Earth Rhythm website, not from Nykaa or any other e-commerce platform, because if you are purchasing Earth Rhythm products from Nykaa or e-commerce platform, then they sell some damaged products. So that's why I was like, let's go ahead and buy this from their website as well. So I bought this from their website and I didn't get any discount. The price, the MRP of this product is 849 rupees, and I have also given extra shipping charge for this product as well. So I have purchased it for like 9-10 rupees or something, and also you will get 30 ml of products into the packaging. Now this is the cardboard packaging which you can see right here. It has a lot of information out there, like how to use, ingredient list and all of that jazz. I really like this kind of outer packaging which has a lot of information, so you can go through the information by reading just the outer packaging. And the inner packaging looks like this. It has a pump, just have to press it and the product will come off. So this is a very basic glass packaging. It says that this is 2% salicylic acid with willow bark extract sebum control serum. So basically the point is this is a sebum control serum, so this will control your oil, to say the least. Also the shelf life of this product is 2 years, which is pretty good for a chemical exfoliator. I have never seen actually a brand is selling a product of the shelf life with 2 years, which is an amazing fact. And they have also mentioned on the packaging how to use this product. So they have mentioned to use it twice a day. Now the claims that they have mentioned are: the oil-free soothing serum is ideal for tackling the concerns of skin that is prone to impurities. Salicylic acid counteract impurities, while willow bark extract provide a soothing and healing effect. The partner in crime you need to fight breakouts and blemishes. The serum helps to exfoliate the skin, penetrating deep into pores to help break up trapped dirt, and sebum to prevent the formation of new blemishes. Infused with willow bark extract to enhance exfoliation and promote a smoother, clearer complexion. Use after cleansing. Apply 5 to 6 drops to a dry face, neck for optimal results. Follow it up with a moisturizer and a sunscreen. Obviously sunscreen is always necessary, guys. Please top it off with a sunscreen. Whatever chemical exfoliator you are using doesn't matter. Even if you are using a very mellow chemical exfoliator, even if you are using hyaluronic acid, it's very essential to top it up with a good sunscreen if you don't want to go through the photosensitivity which will burn and age your skin. Now the ingredient list of this product is pretty basic. Now when I was going through the Minimalist product, I saw that the base of that product is aloe vera juice, because they have mentioned that aloe vera juice works nicely with the salicylic acid rather than aqua. Any type of oil doesn't go well with the salicylic acid. So in here they have mentioned the base of the product is aqua, and then they have followed up with propanediol, dimethicone, glycerin, polysilicon 11, butylene glycol, polysorbate 40, water, salix alba, which is the willow bark extract, salicylic acid, olea europea, which is the olive leaf extract, again water, sodium hyaluronate, sodium acrylates, copolymer, lecithin, xanthan gum, phenoxyethanol, and triethylene glycol. Now when I was using this product, I will show you the texture of this product is really thick. I mean, they have used the maximum amount of xanthan gum they can use, and it just absorbs into the skin very quickly. That's not the point, but the serum is really thick. Now this is not one of those serum which is really runny consistency serum, so that's a bummer. And when you are actually pumping it, it's really difficult to notice whether I am getting 5 drops or more than that, because it just lathers a lot, you know, which is not something that I like. I like runny consistency serum, and I think most of you like that as well. But apart from the texture, I feel it's very good. It just absorbs into the skin really quickly, like really fast, within some seconds. So it's a very good serum for oily skin type, dry skin type, or sensitive skin type as well. Now, while going through the ingredient list, I found it really messy because they have mentioned water 3 times differently. So I was like, what's happening? Why there is so much water into the product? Alright, so now I have mentioned all the basic points of this product. Now I'm gonna take you through my experience, what I have felt during the trial period of this product. I have used this product for more than 1.5 months, so I have my full review, and you will see that as well on my face, how it actually controls the sebum production and all of that. I'm gonna show you how my face feels before and after. You will see in a bit. So further ado, let's go to the demo. Alright, so today is 18th of July and I will be trying out the salicylic acid from Earth Rhythm for the first time. Now I need to open the seal. So they have sealed the product, which is a good thing. Basic cardboard packaging, which you can see. This says that recycle, reuse, 100% vegetarian and PETA approved, cruelty free. They have mentioned to use it after cleansing. Apply 5 to 6 drops to a dry face and neck for optimal result. Follow it up with a moisturizer and a sunscreen. Okay, so they have said 5 to 6 drops. Okay, we can work with it. Now this is how the packaging looks like. It's a total wide bottle with a pump. Okay, they have a pump. I just thought that they have that test tube packaging, but they have the pump, which is good. Now they have said to take 5 to 6 drops, right? So with pump it's quite difficult, I guess. Okay, it's coming out. One. Oh, I think they have used xanthan gum quite a lot. Alright, it absorbs into the skin really quickly, as you guys can see, and they have no oil. So let's see how it performs on the skin. I think I have an acne right here, if you can see, and also right here. So yeah, these two are active acne. I will be seeing how quickly it dries down. Now I will be applying my moisturizer and night cream afterwards because it's night time. Alright, it's been 1.5 months since I have been trying this Earth Rhythm Salicylic Acid. Now, I didn't apply anything on my face, and you will see in a bit how my skin looks after 1.5 months. So, I'm gonna take again slightly 5 to 6 drops, and I'm just gonna apply it all over on my face. I'm about to finish it because it's not that much, and when you are taking 5 to 6 drops, you know, it just finishes up really quickly. So this is my current condition of my skin, as you guys can see. One thing I want to mention, that it doesn't dry down your breakout really quickly as the Minimalist does. Minimalist 2% salicylic acid, and it didn't remove any blackheads on my skin. On my nose, blackheads are totally visible, as prominent as it can be, so no. And also it's a very slow serum. It didn't show me a massive difference even after using it for 1.5 months. Yeah, I mean, it's just a good serum which actually controls your sebum production. I didn't see any difference after using it for like 1.5 months, which I have mentioned earlier. Now, as you have seen the before and after, now I have a couple of things to talk about this product. So it says that it has willow bark extract, right? So basically the main ingredient, which is actually the main focus of this product, is 2% salicylic acid, not willow bark extract. So basically salicylic acid is active BHA. It just helped me to control the sebum production for a certain period of time. It controlled the oil for like like 5 to 6 hours, which is a decent amount of time for serum, I would say. So I literally called it to see how it actually controls my oil production. So it controlled in a very nice way. But the salicylic acid is mainly known for controlling breakouts. My experience with this was not so good in terms of breakout. It didn't shed off my breakout within 4 to 5 days. It took almost 8 to 9 days to shed off a breakout, which was pretty painful for me because I need to vanish my breakout as soon as possible. Even if I can do something to remove my breakout over a night, I will just go for that product. I don't know how much that costs, but yeah, this one actually helped to fight with the blemishes but not with the breakout that much. So for breakout, I don't think it's a good choice. If your main concern is to reduce the blemishes or to control the blemishes, then this one is a good choice, no doubt. All in all, I would say it's a good product, but it's very pricey just because of the willow bark extract, I believe. But it's a very thick consistency serum, so you have to be very precise while using it. It's a very good exfoliator, daily exfoliator. You have to use it twice a day. As of now, it retails for 849 rupees. I think you will get 30% discount on site wide on their website. I don't know about Nykaa or Amazon because you have told me not to purchase any Earth Rhythm products from Nykaa or Amazon or any e-commerce platform, and I am following your path as well. I think I'm gonna try out some other salicylic acids as well because my main concern is to remove blackheads and to control breakout, not the blemishes. I don't get a lot of blemishes. I have a lot of pimple causing marks. I have a lot of pigmentation around my mouth, which is very basic for most of the women have the pigmentation right over here. I will give this a pass as of now, but for future, if I think that I need to fight with the blemishes or I need to control my oil that much in that level, you know what I mean, because I am an oily skin girl. My skin is always glowy, dewy, which I really don't like. But still, I will suggest you to use it only once a day because it's an acid, and in the end, if you are just starting your chemical exfoliation, your skin needs to get used to it. So you need to use it slowly. I would suggest to use it only 4 times a week, not twice a day or not every day. After that, just see if your skin is improving, if your skin is purging or not. If your skin is purging, that means it's time to say goodbye to the product because purging is real. I have purged before, so I know the deal. So it's something that you can't resist and you cannot deal with, because if your skin starts purging, then it will become much more sensitive. So always patch test whenever you are using a chemical exfoliator, not just because of this. Any chemical exfoliator, patch test is a must. And whenever you are wearing this, no matter if you are stepping out or even if you are staying at home, always at daytime, top it off with a nice sunscreen. SPF 50 I would suggest, but you can go on with SPF 30 as well. SPF 50 is much more acceptable for chemical exfoliator. Overall, I really like this product. I will give this product 7 out of 10 because my main concern was breakout and it didn't work that well on breakout. So yeah, that was my overall point of view of this product. I really hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, then don't forget to like it and also share it with your friends and family. And if you have any question regarding this product, do let me know in the comment section. And if you're new to this channel, please take a small moment to subscribe to my channel and also the notification bell icon. It's totally free, so whenever I will post new videos in future, you will get a notification of that. And hopefully I will see you guys on the next one. Till then, I love you all so much. Stay happy, stay beautiful, take care, bye.